to join our study group. The link is already in the comment section. Yeah, first thing first, join our study group. And today's host check. I'm glad to see you guys again. And let's wait for a few more seconds, ensure more people joining us. If you're already here, you can just say hi, send some emoji to let me know you're here. Yeah, when I see people have or enter today's live show, I will start today's section. Okay, so today is a special session, and since this is the final live webinar of 2024, yeah, 2025 is coming. And it's been an incredible year. We're excited to end it on a high note with all of you. And thank you for tuning in so we can spend this last 2024 IT webinar together. Whether you are here to explore new IT certification opportunities, gain insight into the latest industry trends, or simply enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. So today's session is going to be packed with valuable content, expert demos, and interactive activities. We will include an exam quiz part so you can practice and to help you pass exam and achieve career growth. Alright, so if you're already here, please say hi to let me know. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to our live show. And I guess so many of you have been familiar with my voice, right? Yeah, it's me, it's Chad again. I'm today's host. And also, if you're already here, don't forget to join our study group. The link is already in the comment section. How to join our study group now. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, subscribe us so you won't miss any important live show we have every week. And also, I'll be much appreciated. You can give me a thumbs up now. Alright, so let's wait for 5 more seconds and I will kickstart today's session. Meanwhile, just curious, which exam? I know that today is already the last day of 2024 and many of you have been yearning for certain certification but didn't have time or haven't got it yet. So 2025 is a new start to pass your target exam and get a certificate and boost your career growth. Alright, let me know which certificate you want to get in the comment section. Let's set your 2025 goal here. Yeah, 2025 goal, which certification you want to get, comment to let me know. Alright, so we'll feel waiting for a few while. And without further ado, I will start today's section. Ready to learn more about CompTIA, AWS, PCNSE, Microsoft, etc. So let's dive into the exciting world of IT certification today, which can boost your career growth. Let's get started and make your IT exam journey a little easier in 2025. We focus on providing exam services for more than 21 years. We can give you the best guidance during your exam preparation. And don't forget to join our group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't done so, hurry to do it now. In today's live stream, we focus on the field of cloud and cybersecurity. 2024 comes to an end now. Let me introduce what IT certification is the most in demand in 2025. Just follow me today and make your IT exam preparation become easier. And what's more, as always, we have special discount offer for all the lovely audience today. So become hurry to secure the spot. And this is an extra bonus for all the audience exclusively. Stay tuned and you will know. In today's lecture, I will walk you through top 4 of the hottest IT certification in 2025. They are CompTIA Security Plus, SY-701, PCNSE, AWS, and Microsoft. They also will boost your IT career in 2025. So follow me and we will do some practice tests for each exam together. It's a really good chance for you to practice, to familiarize yourself with the real exam scenario so you can better prepare for the exam on the first try. Also, I want to know which exam, which certificate you want to get in 2025. Let me know your target, comment to let me know. And first thing first, let's look at CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus, anyone want to get this? Comment to let me know. Yeah, if this is the target exam, please listen carefully. So this is for you. CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level security certification that validates the core skills needed in any cybersecurity role. And now we added it to the latest version SY-701. With this certificate, it demonstrates your ability to assess the security of an organization, monitor and secure cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environments, understand laws and regulations related to risk and compliance, and identify and respond to security incidents. Moving on, and earning the cybersecurity plus certification can help you secure jobs position as follow. And here are some examples here. System administrator average salary 76,339. Help desk manager, security engineer, software developer. They are very hot positions. Alright, so let's do a practice test together for the CompTIA Security Plus. So assess your knowledge and the skill. I will give you guys 30 seconds for each question. And there will also be a BGM reminder. When the BGM ends, I will review the answer and explanation. And when you finish your question, do type out in the comment section. Yeah, type the answer out when you finish, so I know that everyone has already finished, so I can move on and I can better control, the whole speech of today's process. And let's look at question 1 for the CompTIA Security Plus. Question 1. A cyber operations team informs and security analysis about a new tactic malicious actors are using to compromise networks. As IEM alerts have not yet been configured, which of the following best describes what a security analysis should do to identify this behavior? So 4 options here. I will give you guys 30 seconds thinking time. When you finish, please type out your answer to let me know. Alright, time's up for question 1. If you've already done it, please comment, let me know your answer, and we'll review the answer now. Drum roll, here you go. Let's see. Answer D is the correct answer. Threat hunting involves proactive searching for signs of compromise or suspicious activities within your network. Since SIEM alerts have not been configured to detect the new tactic, engaging in threat hunting allows the security analysis to actively search for the indicators of compromise and emerging threats escalate into security incidents. So this is option, this is the question 1. Moving on, question 2. A company purchased cyber insurance to adjust items listed on the risk register. Which of the following strategies does this represent? 4 options here. Still 30 seconds thinking time. When you finish, please type out your answer to let me know. Alright, so question 2. Let's review the answer together now. Question 2. Correct answer should be B, transfer. The company purchased cyber insurance in order to transfer the risk to another party, in this case, the insurance company. Alright, moving on. Question 3. A security administrator would like to protect data on employees' laptops. Which of the following encryption techniques should a security administrator use? 4 options here. Also, by the way, I just forgot to mention earlier on. So for all the winners who answer today's exam quiz questions correctly, we'll prepare extra bonus for you guys. So for winners who answer all the questions correctly, we will prepare the special gift for you guys. So stay tuned. You will have a chance to win the special gift for the winner. Alright, moving back here, question 3. Please let me know when you finish your answer. Alright, so time's up. Question 3. Answer announcement now. C. Full disk is the correct answer. Full disk encryption encrypts the entire hard drive to protect all the data. As protector, C is the correct answer. Congratulations, you get it right. Hold there. Since you need to answer all the questions correctly, so you can win the special bonus. But it's okay if you don't get it right. More important is you know why the correct answer is chosen. Ensure that you don't make the same mistake during the real exam. Alright, question 4. An IT manager informs the entire help desk staff that only the IT manager and the help desk lead will have access to the administrator console of the help desk software. Which of the following security techniques is the IT manager setting up? 4 options here. Please type your answer out. When you finish, don't be shy. Share your answer out. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer for question 4. Correct answer should be drum roll, here you go. D is the correct answer, least privilege. The security technique that the IT manager is setting up by restricting access to the administrator console of the help desk software is least privilege. This approach aligns with the principle of least privilege by granting administrative access only to individuals who need it to perform their job responsibilities. So D is the correct answer. Alright, moving on, question 5. Let's read it together. Which of the following is the most likely to be used to document race, responsible parties, and thresholds? 4 options. Type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer. Question 5. Correct answer should be C. Risk register. A risk register is the tool commonly used in risk management that records details of all identified risks, including descriptions, responsible parties, risk categories, likelihood and impact, mitigation measures, and threshold for action. It serves as an essential repository for all information about risk, making it easier to manage and check them. Alright, so that's all the quiz part for the CompTIA Security Plus. Now, let's come to the most exciting moment. What's the offer for the CompTIA Security Plus? Here you go. Anyone want to see the offer today? Please let me hear your voice in the comment section. Alright, let's review together. So, for today's live show, you can enjoy the special discount offer for all the audience, lovely audience exclusively. The CompTIA Security Plus, the practice test original price is $300. Today's live show, if you order now, only need $170, so you can save $130. So our jam is the latest update. If you're interested, have to check the link in the comment section. Admin, please link it up so our fam can go check it out. So if I want to pass the following, don't hesitate. Happy to join our group and ping admin for more details about our exam service. How to order is simple, and basically simply put, we support pay by PayPal. We also support pay by credit card, debit card, MasterCard, or you can choose pay by All-in Pay. All you need to do is join our group and ping admin, and we'll send you the guidance step by step. Moving on, let's look at the PCNSE certification. The PCNSE recognizes individuals with in-depth knowledge and abilities to design, install, configure, maintain, and troubleshoot the vast majority of implementation based on the Palo Alto Networks platform. Check the salary for PCNSE. Can check out the average salary here, and it's quite promising, right? So let's do some practice tasks for the PCNSE so you can better familiarize yourself with the real exam scenario and get prepared for the exam. Moving on, as always, each question, 30 seconds thinking time. When you finish, please type your answer out. Question 1. If the firewall is configured for credential phishing prevention using the domain credential filter method, which login will be detected as credential theft? 4 options here. Please, when you finish your answer, please type out to let me know. Alright, so question 1, let's look at it. Question 1. Correct answer should be, let's see the answer in the comment zone, which one will be the correct. Let's see. Correct answer should be C. Using the same user's corporate username and the password. The Windows-based user ID agent is installed on the read-only domain controller. The user ID agent collects password hashes that correspond to users for which you want to enable credential detection and sends these mappings to the firewall. The firewall then checks if the source IP address of a session matches the username and if the password submitted to the web page belongs to the username. With this mode, the firewall blocks or alerts on the submission only when the password submitted matches a user password. So C is the correct answer. Question 2. An administrator has user accessing network resources through the Citrix XAMPP app 7.x, which user ID mapping solution will map multiple users who are using the Citrix to connect to the network and access resources. So 30-second thinking time. Please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer for question 2. Anyone here? Question 2, correct answer should be drum roll, here you go, terminal services agent. If you have clients running multiple user systems in a Windows environment such as Microsoft Terminal Server or Citrix Metaframe presentation server of XAMPP, configure the Palo Alto Networks terminal server agent for user mapping. Alright, question 3. Which feature prevents the submission of corporate login information into website forms? 4 options here. Type your answer out when you finish. And welcome new friends if you are just tuning in. How to join our group, how to join our study group, or member group. Make sure that you don't miss the best discount offer and important info guidance about target exam. Alright. Time's up. Let's review the answer of question 3. Correct answer should be D, credential phishing prevention. Credential phishing prevention is a feature that is designed to protect against phishing attacks, where attackers attempt to trick users into giving away their login credentials. One way this is achieved is by preventing the submission of corporate login information into website forms. When the user enters their credentials into a website form, the firewall can use various methods to detect whether the login is legitimate or a phishing attempt. This correct answer, congratulations, you got it right. Hold on there, more questions coming in. Question 4, which option is part of the content inspection process? Type out your answer, let me know. Alright, time's up. Question 4, correct answer should be B. SSL proxy re-encrypt. SSL proxy re-encrypt is a process where SSL traffic is decrypted, inspected, and then re-encrypted to be delivered to the destination. Question 5. In a virtual router, which object contains all potential routes? 4 options here. Please type your answer. Oh, oops. Please ignore it. And still 30 seconds in time. When the vision ends, I will review the answer. Alright, time's up. Correct answer. Question 5. It should be B. Route information base and forward information base. The difference between these two is that while the RB contains all possible routes to various destinations, even if there are more than one to a specific destination, the FIB contains only the best route to each destination. So in this case, the answer is B, RIB. Alright, exciting moment again for the PCNSE exam offer, special live offer today. Original price for the PCNSE dump is $300, but order now, enjoy audience exclusive live discount. Only need 130, so you can save 170. That's a huge discount. So if you want to pass the PCNSE exam, don't miss the chance to save it. Have the journal group and ping admin to get more details. And also, the link has already shared in the comment section. Alright, and moving on, SPOTO advantages. Why you should choose SPOTO? Here I'm going to explain all the reasons. So firstly, we only provide 100% valid and latest dump, and for the exam service, we guarantee 100% pass, which means that you can pass exam with the least time input, money input, and also you can pass the exam with the minimum time. And also we provide 24/7 basically professional support. And more important is we are 21-year brand. We have been providing exam services for more than 21 years, so we are pro and helping people pass exam. So that's why you should choose SPOTO. And how to order, I actually mentioned earlier on. Very simple. Just need to here's the steps to order on our website. So just need to click the link we send you, and then you will come to the page. Just need to register your account at SPOTO, and then jump back to the link and click buy now, and you can choose the pay by PayPal, credit card, debit card, or more time saving, more easier version is you pay by PayPal. We will send you the pay. You just need to provide PayPal email for us. We will send you invoice to order. And here's a process of get certified with SPOTO. We can have a look at. Moving on, let's come to the number 3 certification, AWS certification. AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, also called as the SAE-CO3. This credentials helps organizations identify and develop talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. And moving on, let's do some tasks, practice tasks for the SAE-CO1 exam again together. So question 1, a company has a website hosted on AWS. The website is behind an application load balancer ALB that is configured to handle HTTP and HTTPS separately. The company wants to forward all requests to the website so that the request will use HTTPS. What should a solution architect do to meet this requirement? What should it do? So 4 options here, 30-second thinking time. When you finish, as always, do type your answer out so I can know that you're finished. I can move on. Alright, so thumbs up. Let's look at the offer. Look at the question. Correct answer for question 1. Question 1, correct answer should be B. Create a rule that replaces the HTTP in the URL with the HTTPS. To prevent deletion of records during the entire 10-year period, you can utilize S3 object lock feature. By enabling it in compliance mode, you can set a retention period on the object, preventing any user, including administrative and root users, from deleting records. Alright, so option B is the correct answer. Question 2 is a little bit lengthy, so read it carefully. And also the answer scenario, answer contest is very lengthy. Please read carefully. Ensure that you get the correct info. Question 2, a company is developing a two-tier web application on AWS. The company's developers have deployed the application on an Amazon EC2 instance that connects directly to the backend Amazon RDS database. The company must not hard-code database credentials in the application. The company must also implement a solution to automatically rotate the database credentials on a regular basis. So which solution will meet these requirements for the least operational overhead? For options here, I know that it's lengthy, so read carefully and type the answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Question 2, correct answer should be drumroll, C. Store the database credentials as a secret in AWS Secrets Manager. Turn on automatic rotation for the secret. Attach the required permission to the EC2 role to grant access to the secret. So C is correct answer. Store the database credentials as secret. And turn on automatic rotation for the secret, attach the required permission to the EC2 role to grant access to the secret. So C, correct answer. Question 3, a company is deploying a new public web application to AWS. The application will run behind an application load balancer. The application needs to be encrypted at the edge with an SSL TLS certificate that is issued by an external certificate authority. The certificate must be rotated each year before the certificate expires. So what should the solution architect do to meet these requirements? So 4 options, 30 seconds to time. When you finish, please type the answer out. Question 3, correct answer. Let's announce together. D is the correct answer. Because ACN does not manage the renewal process for imported certificate. You are responsible for monitoring the expiration date of importing certificates and for renewing them before they expire. Question 4, still a lengthy question contest. A company runs its infrastructure on AWS and has a registered base of 700,000 users for its document management application. The company intends to create a product that converts large PDF files to JPG image files. The PDF files average 5 MB in size. The company needs to store the original files and converted files. A solution architect must design a scalable solution to accommodate demand that will grow rapidly over time. Which solution meets these requirements most cost effectively? 4 options here. Please type the answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer for question 4. Question 4, correct answer should be A. This solution will meet the company's requirements in a cost-effective manner because it uses a serverless architecture with AWS Lambda to convert the files and store them in S3. The Lambda function will automatically scale to meet the demand for file conversions, and S3 will automatically scale to stored original and converted files as needed. Question 5, and do you notice that for the SA-03 exam quiz, the context is very long, and maybe this is one of the features for the exam. And welcome new friends. I just noticed that some new friends are just tuning in. Welcome on board. We're having a practice test for the SA-03 exam. So hold on there. If you want to pass any exam, you can also comment and let me know, and I will answer questions and later on. Question 5. A hospital recently deployed a RESTful API with Amazon API and AWS Lambda. The hospital uses API Gateway and Lambda to upload reports that are in PDF format and JPEG format. The hospital needs to modify the Lambda code to identify protective health information in the report. Which solution will meet these requirements for the least operational overhead? 4 options here. Please type your answer out to let me know. Oops, please ignore it. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer for question 5. Last question for the SA-03 exam. Correct answer should be C. Use Amazon Task Track to extract the task from the report. Use Amazon Comprehend Medical to identify the PHI for the extracted test. And also a very detailed explanation here. Please read the explanation. I will give you guys a few seconds to read the explanation so you can better understand why C is chosen. If you already finished reading, please let me know in the comment section. Taiwan to let me know. Alright, moving on, let's look at the offer for the AWS SA-03 dump. Original price for the dump is $300 US. Today's live stream is on huge sale. It's extra bonus for audience exclusively. Order now only need 170, so you can save $130 US. 100% valid as a CO3 dump, and study for 8 days enough to help you pass exam. Moving on, let's look at Microsoft certification. Anyone of you want to pass the Microsoft exams, you can comment to let me know. Microsoft certification gives professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industry-endorsed evidence of mastering skills in the digital and cloud businesses. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. Each of these certifications consists of passing a series of exams to earn certification. So the hottest certification is Azure and Microsoft 635. First, let's look at the Azure 104 exam. The demand for Azure professionals is on the rise. In fact, Azure-related job positions increased by 66% from 2020 to 2024. Earning your Azure 104 certification can open doors to lucrative career opportunities from cloud architect to security engineer. Your success is the result of Azure recognitions in the industry. Again, let's do some practice tests for the Azure 104 exam. Question 1. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1 that contains a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 is in the resource group named RG1. Subscription 1 has a user named User1. User1 has the following roles. You need to ensure that user 1 can assign the reader role for VNet 1 to other users. So what should you do for options here? Please type out your answer when you finish. Alright, question 1. Have you answered this question? Have you finished this one? Let's review the answer together. Correct answer should be B. Assign user 1 the owner role for VNet 1. And also here's the link for explanation. You want to check out the explanation, please type 1 in the comment section to let our admin know. And our admin will send you the explanation link. Moving on, question 2. You have an Azure subscription that contains a storage account and then storage 1. You need to ensure that access keys for the storage 1 rotate automatically. What should we configure? Pay attention, 5 options here. Ensure that you choose the correct one. Alright, question 2. Correct answer should be D, an Azure Key Vault. To ensure that the access keys for your storage account rotate automatically, you should configure Azure Key Vault with Azure storage account key rotation. Moving on, question 3. You have Microsoft Enter tenant name CompTIA.com. You collaborate with an external partner named Fabricant.com. You plan to invite users in Fabricant.com to the Composo.com tenant. You need to ensure that invitation can be sent only to Fabricant.com users. What should you do in the Microsoft Enter Admin Center? 4 options. Please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer of question 3. Correct answer should be D. From external collaboration settings, configure the collaboration restriction settings. Yeah, check it out here. Correct answer D. So 2 more questions coming in. If you answer all the questions correctly today, you will win the extra bonus we prepare for the winner. So hold on there. Let's review who will be the winner in the end. Question 4. Your company has several departments. Each department has a number of virtual machines. The company has an Azure subscription that contains a resource group named RG1. All VMs are located in RG1. You want to associate each VM with its respective department. 4 options here. Please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Correct answer for question 4, it should be C. Assign tags to virtual machines. C is correct. The tags associate the VMs to each department. Then, for example, it can be charged to each department. Question 5, last question. Only 2 options here, yes or no. Very simple. And I will leave you guys to read the question by yourself. 30 seconds in total. It's not a tricky one. Alright, time's up for question 5. Yes or no? It should be B, no. You access the Azure portal to alter the ground control of the Azure AD conditional access policy. So that's all the questions for the exam first part. For anyone has answered all the questions correctly, please proudly show your hands, put your hands up, let me know in the comment section. Anyone is the winner, answer all the questions correctly, don't be shy, let me know. Or you can just, if you have answered all the questions correctly, have the journal group and show the proof, and we'll send you the asterisk, the bonus for the winner. Alright, have the journal group to redeem your prize if you answer all the questions correctly. Moving on, let's get the offer for Azure 104. Original price, regular price for the Azure 104 exam is $250. But if you order during today's live show, you can enjoy the special discount. Only need $100 US, so you can save $150. That's amazing price, incredible ever. And moving on, here are some questions we get asked most often. Let's answer you one by one. First, can I pass exam with the dump with the Q&A questions only? The answer is yes. Since our dump are valid, the latest covers all the real exam questions. So for focus on starting dump is enough to help you pass exam on first try. How can I know that product dump is the latest version? SPOTO is a 21 brand, so all the products are updated fully, and our exam dump the latest on the remote server. During your service period, if there's any update, we will inform you and also provide you the latest version. And the dump format is VCE, is sent to the real exam format, so you can practice the written exams on remote server. Can I buy now and start service later? The answer is yes. You can order now with the special discount offer and start service whenever you want, especially during the Christmas sale, during Black Friday, during every month special price. You can always order now and start service whenever you want. This is a very good way to secure your spot for the special discount offer. And here's our dump service rule. As I mentioned earlier, dump format is VCE. Similarly, exam format, usually 8 access. If practice dump on the remote server, we provide 24/7 access. So you can also start based on your schedule, and it's very flexible. And you can also choose to order now and start service whenever you want. Alright, so last but not least, before we end today's session, I want to brief you about SPOTO, so you can better understand who we are, what we have been doing, and what set us apart in the industry. With the mission of changing fate by fate by studying Big Beautiful Better Future, SPOTO was founded in 2003. And this year, we are 22 years old very soon. SPOTO is dedicated to becoming an IT online learning platform worldwide. We specialize in helping people pass exam on first try. And here a photo, here's a picture. The reference here you can see all over the world represents that our candidates pass the exam at a local exam center. And here are some statistics I want to share with you guys. As of November 2024, SPOTO has served in more than 152 countries and regions. We have launched over 300 products and helped over 550,000 learners obtain their target certification. And with the assuring of thing is that over 2,500 CCIE holders are from SPOTO. 定了是吧？好，3点是吗？还有7分钟。对对对。Sure enough is that over 2,500 CCIE holders are from SPOTO. So in other words, almost 10% of CCIE holders in the world are SPOTO learners. And as you know, may not know, CCIE is the most difficult level of the Cisco exam, so that's proof everything. And here's a picture of our team is taken in the neighborhood of our company. So we are a team of professional and passionate professionals. We have been dedicating to helping our candidate pass exam. And here are some comments made by our candidate. We help many learners pass exam, and they were happy to study with us. As you can see, the reviews of them and the side jabber review, etc. Actions always be louder than words. So you can check. You can see who are what they are talking about and what they think of SPOTO. You can understand why SPOTO is worthy of your choice. Alright, so due to today's time limit, I cannot cover all the exam service we have. So if you want to pass any other exams, want to get any other certificate, but haven't mentioned today, feel free to join our group and ping admin to get more details about target exam. Since we have more than the certification we mentioned today only, here's a pre-list you can have a reference. Alright, so that's basically all for today's section. The last live show for 2024. We're embracing the 2025 very soon. And thank you for your time. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me. If you think today's section is helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Your support is the biggest motivation for me to show up more, to do better. And also don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. We have live show every week. And the most important thing is, if you haven't joined our group, how to join our study group, how to join our group for the special discounts for valuable study materials. The group link is already in the comment section. How to join the group now if you haven't joined it yet. Alright, and thank you again for your time. So this is the end of today's webinar, and also this is the last day of 2024. I wish all of you a very good start, a very promising future in 2025, and with SPOTO, you can pass any exams on first try. And today's host track, thank you for your time again, and how to join our group if you haven't joined it yet, and looking forward to see you guys next time, next year, and 2025. Bye everyone, bye.